Okay. Good morning, class. How are you doing? You're fine this morning. So, we'll wake on another lesson, and our lessons is verb. The verb. What is this? So we'll go to define what a verb is, and after defining the verb, we'll see the use of some special verbs. Okay, and dealing with special verbs, we have let and like for this lesson, and the second lesson I'll give you okay, some special verb also there. So let's go. Okay, what is a verb? Okay, a verb is a word that indicates an action, event, or a state. Okay, a verb is a word that indicates an action. What's an action? Let me put it in another color. I'm going to choose yellow. Okay, an action or an event here or a state. All right. So what is a verb? A verb is a word that indicates an action, an event, or a state. Okay, so let's see some special verbs. Okay, today we'll see let and like. The first let. Okay, we can use let to mean what? To rent out a house. Okay, example, we move to Australia and let our house in London. A major use of let is for talking about allowing and permission here. Example, my mother let me come. Okay, I let her leave early. You see, all right. Okay, let me put this here in another color in green. Okay, that will be helpful for us. All right, in green. All right. Okay, let my mother come. Let my mother let me come. I let her leave early. Okay, one pattern is let followed by an object followed by a verb infinitive. So she let we are here she let me. Okay, me is the object. All right, let me change the color of this. All right, here this is the object with this color, and the verb infinitive another color. Let me which color is fine. Yeah, okay. We have this here. All right, so that is I have to do that. Our pattern is let followed by object followed by a verb infinitive. All right, she let me have the last one. You must let us know when you are coming to New York. I didn't let my friend drive my car. Why did you let Isuhu do that? All right, another pattern is let followed by object followed by a complement. All right, yeah, right. Yeah, letter in green color, green here. Letter and the objects here. Our object will be in red. This okay, and complement will have a complement. Complement. I'll put a complement with another color. This. All right. Okay. So we have let me pass. Let it's our element let, and we have me here is the object. Okay, me is the object, and pass is the complement. Pass is the complement. All right, I think that it is very easy. All right. Another pattern is let followed by an object followed by a complement. Let me pass. You hear? Okay, it's very simple. The policemen aren't letting anybody out of the building. I don't let him get away. Okay, why did you let him in? Alright, notice that we can use reflexive pronoun. Because reflexive pronoun to talk about what we allow ourselves to do. Okay, we can use reflexive pronoun. Okay, you can use a reflexive pronoun. Here we can use reflexive pronoun to talk about what we allow ourselves to do. Here we are reflexive pronoun, myself here. Okay, I let myself be influenced by her. Okay, she let herself out. All right, I didn't let myself be talked into it. Did you let yourself? Did you let yourself in? Did you let yourself in? It's very simple. Here we are, let. Okay, and reflexive pronoun. Okay, you want to talk. Okay, something which allow us to do something. All right. I let myself be influenced by her. She let herself out. I didn't let myself be talked into it. Did you let yourself in? All right. Notice that we do not make a contraction out of let us here. Yeah, let us here and yellow. Okay, when we are asking for permission. Okay, yeah, let us here. Let's see. Here we are asking for permission, so we are here. Let us help you. Let us help you. Okay, because we are doing for permission. Okay, it will be in a group. Okay, let us help you. Let us help you. Let us pay for this. Let us buy that. Let us take the risk. All right. Let us also, let's hear the contractive form. Okay, we can use the contractive form to do something else. Here the contractive form. We can use the contractive form for making. We can use we use let's when we are making a suggestion. If you want to make a suggestion, we can use okay, yeah, less it is in red, and suggestion. Okay, let's go to the cinema. Okay, let's stay at home. Let's not argue. This is formal. Don't let argue is informal. Okay, so let's see quickly the second verb like. All right, you probably know that the verb like can be followed by either the ing form or by an infinitive. I like here in I put it in okay, I like going. Here we are ing form. I like going. Where I like going. Yes, I like going to the cinema. Okay, I like to okay, I like to see. I like to see. Okay, you see, this is it is the same. All right, and the verb here we are. All right, okay, this way, it's very simple. We like to see all the latest movies. All right. Often these two forms mean exactly the same thing, but there can be a difference between them. When we use like to, when we use like to, okay, when we use like to, there is an idea that we think is a good idea, even if it's present and it is probably a regular action. I like to visit a dentist. I like to visit a dentist. I have to visit the dentist twice a year. Okay, I like my children to be in bed by 9. All right. I like to keep fit. I like to keep fit. I like to keep fit here also very simple. All right. I like to keep fit. We use would like to make, would like to. Okay, we use would like to make what? We use would like this. Let me change the color of would like. All right, this. We use would like to make polite offers or requests. Would you like to? All right, here we are. I have to add to. All right. Okay, would you like to? All right. To make what? To make polite requests, make polite offers or requests. Would you like to? All right, this. Okay. Would you like to? Would you like to have lunch one day next week? I like, or I would like. See, I would like to. I would like to have. I would like to. I would like to have. I would like to have your opinion. I would like to have your opinion. All right. Use as a preposition like often means similar or typically. Like me. You probably are a bit shocked by this behavior. What is Harry like? He conceited? Okay. You look like you need to sit down. You look like you need to sit down. Okay. You look like you need to sit down. All right. All right. I want to do something exciting like bungee jumping. It is just like him to be late. It is just like him to be late. All right. In informal American English, like is used to mean as if. All right. Some people think it is incorrect, but you will certainly hear it a lot. I feel like I am a princess. I feel like I am a princess. You see, all right. That means what? I am okay. I feel as if I am a princess. You see, it was like I was back in the 60s. It was like I was back in the 60s. Okay, that the informal American English you use like to means as if. Okay, you can put you can replace here like by as if, and here too we can replace like by as if. So for the first part of our course we will stop here. Okay, if you have any suggestion or you would like to ask any question or you want to have more information about the use of like and letter, so let me send me an email on this address here, M.KINDO arrobas. See here we have what you call arrobas, or we are at here at M.KINDO at gmail.com, or my phone number here. This is here my phone number. You can see this and send me either your by message, or you can call me and ask more detail about this. Okay, as I know that you are at home now, if you do, definitely it will be helpful for all of us. Okay, thank you very much for listening to this video. I think that you have appreciated it. Let's keep in touch. I'm going to give you the second part of this lesson. The second part of this lesson, and lesson 2, and we'll see 2 special verbs. Okay, thank you very much. Bye for now.